In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to earn money just by doing simple steps. Step 1, copy this text. Step 2, paste it in here. Step 3, click Submit Step and wait for a couple of minutes, and that's it. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on the red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, so I'm about to show you how you can make passive income on autopilot right from your home without having to invest any money at all. This works for all countries, and on top of that, it can even be done on just your phone. So, grab your phone or computer and get ready because the life-changing tutorial starts right now. Let's start with step number 1. I'll show you how to use this tool in combination with Google to make a ton of money without having a website. So, our first stop will be going to this website. I'll give you the URL in a moment, and since we haven't discussed this strategy before, you might not be familiar with it. Well, this website is a tool that will increase your search engine optimization, or SEO, which refers to how well your website ranks in Google, how likely it is for people to visit it, how simple it is for them to find it, and other things of that nature. But don't worry, you don't need a website and you don't need any SEO knowledge. All you have to do is follow the steps given in this tutorial. Basically, this website is a tool that helps you rank higher on Google and beat their competition for free, and your first step is to just come over to this platform, and if you want to, you can read more about it. Okay, so go and complete this step and I'll be waiting for you, and I want you to do the same for every other step. Watch it, pause the video, complete the stuff, come back and watch the next step. That way, by the end of this video, you will have everything set up and ready to make you money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below. And if you do, that would be awesome. Without further ado, let's get back to work and earn some cash. Let's go on to the next step. So now that you know what this great website does, you will need to sign up for free. So click here at the top of the page and click here, and that will take you over to the page that looks something like this. And to create an account, you will need to enter your email address, create a password, click I'm not a robot, and go to create my Mangles account. And yes, you heard it right, our website is called mangools.com, mangools.com. As soon as you do, you'll be able to log in to your Mangles account, which should display the dashboard as seen below. Basically, just visit mangools.com, register an account for free, and I'll be waiting for you as we go right along to step number 3. Now, before you move on to the third step, which is visiting google.com, I hope you have finished the first 2 steps and are already making some progress. If not, go back and do those 2 steps first. So here we'll start using Google, and the third step is to open Google, and for now just leave it open like that, and we'll start using it in a minute. We just need to copy something first. Now that you have a Google open there, it's time for you to go back to Mangles. You can join their affiliate program, which is based on 30% recurring monthly commissions. If you go back to their pricing plan, you can see that the most popular one is the $39 per month plan, which means you're making about $11.70 per month per person, and that's just from one single person. So that's your monthly income without you having to lift a finger. Now you need 100 people, which already equals $1,170 in passive income each month with no work involved. There are some cheaper, but there are also even more expensive plans from which you can make even more money. But if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll show you where you need to be with your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to use Google to get as many referrals as possible for free, and it's pretty much gonna be a fun process. For now though, just go to affiliate program and go to prom materials. You can see your affiliate link. So this is the main affiliate link that will make us money, and when people click on it, they will be sent to this page where they can sign up to Mangools, and depending on the plan they choose, we will make a monthly income. By the way, comment down below, "I am from this country." In that way, I will know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So, drop your country's name in the comments down below. So, I want you to copy this affiliate link by clicking on this copy button right here. So, copy that and go to bit.ly.com. Bitly is a link shortening service, so in order to make this long affiliate link short and sweet, all you need to do is paste it here, click shorten, and just copy the shortened version. Now it's a lot more appealing for people to click on it. So the step number 4 is just grabbing your affiliate link and shortening it using Bitly. Complete these steps and let's go to the next one. Okay, for step number 5, now that you have your short affiliate link, let's go back to Google and just think for a second. Who needs better SEO, better rankings, and more visitors to their website? Well, obviously every single website in the world, and there are currently billions of them, but more importantly, who has enough money to invest into Mangools through your affiliate link so they can benefit from the tool? Well, obviously every business that has a website, and do you know how many of them there are? Over 1 billion. Yep, not 1 million, not 100 million, but 1 billion, and you just need 100 of them. Just 100 to use your referral link on, and you'll make thousands of dollars every single month. In fact, over $20,000 per year without lifting a finger. Just get 100 of them to sign up. That's pretty insane, but of course, you do need to put in some work first. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and the results do vary, but for now, just go to Google, think of some business, maybe dentist, gym, barber, restaurant, pet shop, or literally anything you can think of, and then just think of some small places, small city, or town. I can search for Newberry, South Carolina, for example, dentist, or Newberry Gym, or Greenville Gym, or Kent, Ohio restaurant. Like, there are endless search results you can play around with, and that's how you make the most money and gets you the best results. That's why I said that it's gonna be a really fun process. It's like a game where you think of some small place, think of some business, try different searches, and easily find your referrals. For now, as an example, I will search Newberry, Carolina dentist. You can do anything else. You can open up a map and randomly pick places. I'll just do this one, and I'll use the business dentist. Stop here for a moment. I want you to take a deep breath and feel the money flowing your way because things will become better sooner. Before I reveal to you the last tips and tricks, we would like you to smash that like button as well as hit that red subscribe button, and so we will make these dreams come true. Oh, you completed that already? Thank you. And so let's begin the last step in making money online. Okay, we're now at step number 6. We're gonna skip the ads and the top 3 websites that appear when you search for your term in Google because obviously those people are skilled at SEO and don't require this tool. But all the other thousands and thousands of businesses below them obviously need your help and are willing to invest in their business since they can see a massive return on investment. So you'll open some of these websites and on 99% of them, you'll be able to see their accounting information, either at the bottom or at the top of the website. So just find your email address or any other contact form and let's offer them our affiliate link and help them. Now, I'm not legally allowed to give you any script, and that would be bad because you know that everyone else will just use the same script and it would just come up as spam. So instead, I'll help you craft your own, and that's a lot better and the conversation is gonna be better. So basically, with one simple message, you can make them click on your affiliate link that takes them into Mangools where they can sign up so you'll make money. You can start your own message or an email with like a "Dear Sir or Madam, I saw you were running a nice business," or "I saw you had a nice restaurant," or "a nice office," or "a nice coffee shop," or "a nice jewelry shop," or whatever it is. But your website is not ranking, so you are missing out on a lot of potential customers. And then you can say something like, "I had the same problem recently, but I saw an awesome tool online that helped me boost my rankings and get a lot more visitors in a matter of days," or something like that, and they should be intrigued. Now, you can either send them your affiliate link immediately, or you can wait for the reply and then send your affiliate link after you've built some trust with them. Remember, you only need to do it once to get some signups, and you will keep making a monthly passive income for the next couple of months or a couple of years. So sacrifice some time and effort now, and it will surely pay off. To recap, Just copy your affiliate link, create a script for yourself, copy that as well, go to Google to find some businesses, play around and just paste the script of your affiliate link, and that's it. You will help them by providing the tool that will boost their business. They will be thankful and you will be happy because you have helped someone and made a lot of money on the back end and a lot of passive income. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.